या हाय गाइस, हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू स्पोकन हिंदी टिप्स बाय मीनाक्षी. My introduction: I have received a certificate of merit from CBSE board for Hindi language, and yeah, I am a native Hindi speaker. Okay. एंड क्योंकि ये वीडियोस स्पोकन हिंदी पे है, सो इसलिए बहुत सारे जो वर्ड्स हैं जो कॉमन हैं वो मैंने इंग्लिश में ही यूज़ किए हैं. ओके, so because this video is for spoken Hindi, I have used most of the words which are commonly used in English only. Okay, so please note that. And today we'll see how to use simple past tense in Hindi. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, so what is simple past tense? So simple past tense is used to describe past events and often appears next to time words indicating the past, such as yesterday, last year, or last night, etc. Okay, so in this case, in Hindi, we use most of the verbs will be used as verb plus ya, ye, or ye. Okay, so how to use this we'll see in the coming section. Okay, so let's start with first person singular, that is I. First example, I went to the market. In Hindi, मैं market गया. मैं market गया. Okay, so if male is there, gaya. If the subject is a female, you have to say मैं market गई. Okay. Now the second example, I cleaned the house. In Hindi, मैंने घर साफ किया. To clean in Hindi means साफ करना. Okay, to clean means साफ करना, and house is घर. Okay, so I cleaned the house. In Hindi it becomes मैंने घर साफ किया. Okay. So now coming to first person plural, that is we. First example, we went to the market. In Hindi, हम market गए. हम market गए. Okay, so a plural you have to use गए. Okay. Now the second example, we played cricket on Sunday. In Hindi, हमने रविवार को क्रिकेट खेला. हमने रविवार को क्रिकेट खेला. Okay, so with the subject we are using ne and with the object we are using ko. Okay, so in the next video I'll cover how to use ne and ko. Like whenever the subject is performing an action on the object, we'll use ne with the subject and ko with the object. So this topic I'll discuss in detail, or I'll cover this topic in detail in the next video. So stay tuned. Okay. Now coming to second person singular, that is you. Okay, the first example, did you go to office yesterday? In Hindi, क्या आप कल ऑफिस गए थे? That is formal you. Okay, that's why I'm using आप. क्या आप कल ऑफिस गए थे? Second example, did you call me? In Hindi, क्या तुमने मुझे कॉल किया था? I'm using तुम here because it's informal. Okay, informal you. Okay, so क्या तुमने मुझे कॉल किया था? Or the same sentence can be used as, the same sentence we can say in the other way. क्या तुमने मुझको कॉल किया था? क्या तुमने मुझको कॉल किया था? So मुझे and मुझको are interchangeably used. You can either use मुझे or मुझको for me. Anything is fine in spoken Hindi or in written Hindi also. Okay. Now coming to second person plural, that is you guys. First example, were you guys at the airport? In Hindi, क्या आप लोग एयरपोर्ट पर थे? This is formal. Okay, when you are speaking to a group of seniors or people who are elder to you, then you have to use आप लोग, you guys. Okay, so क्या आप लोग एयरपोर्ट पर थे? Second example, did you guys watch that movie? In Hindi, क्या तुम लोगों ने वह मूवी देखी? क्या तुम लोगों ने वह मूवी देखी? This is informal. Okay, that's why I'm using तुम लोगों ने. If it is formal, the same sentence you have to say क्या आप लोगों ने वह मूवी देखी? Okay. Now coming to third person singular masculine, that is he. First example, he went to church yesterday. In Hindi, वह कल church गया था. कल means yesterday, okay, or yesterday means कल. Gaya because the subject is a male. Okay, so वह कल church गया था. Okay, second example, he ate fish yesterday. In Hindi, उसने कल fish खाया. उसने कल fish खाया. और you can also say उसने कल मछली खाई. Okay, fish in Hindi it is मछली. Okay, but yeah, spoken Hindi, as I told you, we can use, or you can use fish also. Okay, so उसने कल fish खाया. Okay. Now coming to third person singular feminine when the subject is a female, that is she. First example, she went to Mumbai last week. In Hindi, वह last week मुंबई गई थी. Because it's a female, the subject is a female, we have to use गई, not गया. Okay. So वह last week मुंबई गई थी. Okay. और last week in Hindi we call it as पिछले हफ्ते. Okay. So we can also say वह पिछले हफ्ते मुंबई गई थी. वह पिछले हफ्ते मुंबई गई थी. Okay. Second example, she cleaned the house. In Hindi, उसने घर साफ किया. उसने घर साफ किया. Okay. Now coming to third person plural, that is they. First example, they worked on Sunday also. In Hindi, उन्होंने संडे को भी काम किया. उन्होंने संडे को भी काम किया. Okay. और we can also say उन्होंने रविवार को भी काम किया. So Sunday means रविवार in Hindi. Okay. So it becomes उन्होंने रविवार को भी काम किया. Okay. Second example, they lost the match. In Hindi, वे लोग मैच हार गए. और we can also say वो लोग मैच हार गए. Okay, so वे और वो लोग can be interchangeably used. Okay, वे means they, वो लोग also means they. Okay, and to lose means हारना in Hindi. Okay, so that's why I am using हार गए. Why I am using गए? Because there are many people, plural. Okay, so वो लोग मैच हार गए. Okay. Yeah, so what are the important points or important tips to remember from this video? What we have to remember is in past tense, most of these sentences will have verb plus ya, ye or ye plus tha, thi or the, depending on the gender or depending whether the subject is singular or plural. Okay, like you can say gaya tha, aaye the, khaya tha, like this. Okay, so these are all simple past tense sentences. Okay. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. If any questions are there, you can ask me in the comment section. See you guys again in the next video. And yeah, in the next video, I'll discuss when to use ne with the subject. When to use ne, like when we say maine kiya or main gaya tha. So why using ne and main gaya tha? Why we are not using ne? Okay, so I'll discuss when to use ne or ko, ne with the subject and ko with the object. Okay, and I'll be back soon. And yes, if you like this content, please do subscribe. Okay, yeah, see you again. Bye bye.